Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use date and ncal command on Linux. So at the beginning I will open the terminal, and what are the date and ncal command used for? Ncal command is used to display calendar, and date command is used to display current date, and I will show you how to use it in a simple way, and I will show you some options. So at the beginning we will start with date command. So date command by default shows something like this. So we have day of the week, so it is Wednesday, the January or the 14th of January, so this is a date, this is a time, as you can see this is the same as here, so everything is correct. Here you have AM or PM, here you have time zone, and here you have a current year. So by default it looks like this, but of course we can modify that. How can we modify that? We have to use a date command, and right now we can modify things and display it in the format, in whatever format we want. So we can use percent sign and big Y to see the year, percent sign and small m to see the month, small d to see a day, big H to see hour, big M to see minute, and big S to see seconds. So now, how can we use that? We have to start with plus, and we have to start with sign like this. So inside this we have to basically type in whatever we want. So I want to start with year, so percent sign and big Y, as I said before, now M, and now D. What is this? So the first will be year, then we will have a minus, month, minus day. So as you can see, it is working. So 14th of January 2026. So everything is fine. Of course we can show only hour. So if I want to show only hour, I have to start the same, but I will use percent sign H and maybe something like this to make it a little bit nicer. So like this and like this, and we have, as you can see, 9:21 and 21 seconds. So everything is working. Of course we can combine it. So if I want to combine it, but maybe right now I will start with day, month, year. So I will start with day, now month, so like this, and now year, and right now hour, minute, and seconds. And I will press enter. As you can see, everything is working. 14th of January 2026, and the hour is also correct. So this is how you can use the date command. The second one is ncal. You need to remember that ncal is not installed by default on the Ubuntu. I don't know if it is on different distributions, but on the Ubuntu it is not. So we have to install it by typing in sudo apt install and ncal like this. And right now we have to type in password because of sudo. As you can see, ncal is already the newest version because I installed it before, but you have to install it if you didn't. And now I will maybe clear that. And by default, ncal is showing a current month. So as you can see, we are in the January, and the current date, so 14th of January, is in the white color, as you can see. So you can easily check which day is today, I will say. And if you want to see the entire year, so for example you want to see entire 2026, you can use that by typing in ncal 2026 like this, and as you can see we have a 12 months from this year. Of course you can show a specific month and a specific month from a year, so you can use something like this, ncal, and right now you can choose the month. So for example I want to choose August, it is 8th month, so like this, and 2026, as you can see I have only August. And what can I show you? I can show you some options. I can show you, for example, option -w. What does option -w do? It will show us week number. So as you can see here, we don't have any week numbers. Here we have week numbers, and as you can see, January has 5 weeks. So it works like that. And right now, maybe I will show you, because as you can see, by default, the week is starting from Sunday and is ending on Saturday. How to change that to basically the week to make a week started from Monday to Sunday? So we can use option -m like this, and as you can see, we have a week from Monday to Sunday, and everything is working fine. And this is basically all in this video. This is how you can use ncal command and date command on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.